Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and confirming what you're removing. You have a duplicate, good. Now inspect whether the emoji is burned into pixels, a separate sticker layer, or an embedded track. Once identified, choose the right tool. Use masking and tracking for burned-in emojis, layer deletion for stickers, or asset disabling in timeline for sticker tracks. Make sure your editor supports frame-accurate masks and motion tracking, because that determines the next steps you'll take to isolate the emoji cleanly. You now do the detailed execution. Draw a tight mask around the emoji and add feathering to blend edges. Next, track the mask through the clip, track position, rotation, and scale so the mask follows movement. Once tracked, apply your chosen removal method. Content-aware fill when background is textured, clone/patch when gradients are smooth, or use a surrounding clean plate if available. As you work, scrub the timeline and refine keyframes. Iterative small adjustments, fix jitter and edge artifacts before final export. You finish by rendering a short high-quality test segment to inspect for halos, ghosting, or color shifts. If you see artifacts, refine the mask edge, adjust feathering, increase sampling for content-aware fills, or apply subtle denoise and color match to blend repaired pixels. Once satisfied, render the full timeline with the original codec and settings to preserve quality, and save a backup project version. If removal failed, revert to the backup and try a different technique. Tracked patches versus full content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.